is it a good budget to start your Google Ads campaign with $100 a day? So I'm going to answer this question in this video. Either $100 a day is a good start or not, but even for a 2 weeks, let's say if we are going to compete for the 2 weeks, it's going to come at $1,400 for 2 weeks. Let's say set to $100, 100 into 2 weeks means 14 days is equal to $1,400. So $1,400 is a good start to create your Google Ads campaign and see results like these, or results like these, or results like these. The question is, in my opinion, I do not recommend small advertisers to come on Google Ads and try their luck, because you will get soon disappointed, because quality score campaign optimization takes time and you may need to spend your budget in optimizing your campaign, and after some time you can start seeing results too, after you know that what is exactly working for you. So ideally I suggest to try our campaigns for a month, keep on testing few things. 2 weeks may necessarily be a short time, but again, it's something is better than nothing. Average start, not a good start but not a bad. $100 a day is an average start in my opinion. Anything lesser than is a big no. So ideally, in case if you can increase your budget, do increase, but yeah, it's an average start to check out. Because for some clients what happens is, when we started a campaign, we were getting clicks at $2 per click, and when the campaign was optimized, our clicks were costing around $1.34. So around 20 to 30% reduction was made after the campaign was optimized. And then we came to know that what areas are working well, what locations are working well for us, what ad copies worked well for us, what landing page worked for us. So there were few things which we need to figure out and keep on testing, and that is how our campaign was improved. So to have a room for improvement, it's always a better idea to have more budget. But yeah, $100 a day is a good average start, not good but an average start to run your campaign on Google Ads.